Very good evening. So today we are going to see about the two-hand safety circuit. So this circuit is a hydraulic circuit what we have designed. So we can see the first we can see the components of this circuit. The first one is the tank. Second one is a filter. The third one is a hydraulic pump. And here we have a pressure relief valve. And the fifth one is the main DCV. So the main DCV is a 4 by 3 pilot operated DCV. So we can see here both the left envelope mode and the right envelope mode of the DCV is pilot actuated. So a pilot pressure from the system actuates the left envelope mode and right envelope mode. And the center position of the DCV, we can see it is a all blocked center, so closed center position. From the closed center position, two connections are given to a cylinder, a double acting cylinder. So this the actuation of this double acting cylinder is controlled by two valves, two direction control valves, valve V1 and valves to V2. So a two-hand safety circuit, it means that two valves has to be actuated, only then the cylinder will extend or the cylinder will retract. So from this we can see the valves V1 and V2 are two push button operated 4 by 2 DCVs. So 4 by 2, this is 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 port are connected to a two position, first position left envelope position and right envelope position, two positions, and a push button is used to control actuate this DCV. So we can see, now we can go to the working of this circuit. So as we see here, the pump gets a hydraulic system from the tank, filter and the pump. A pressurized oil is passed into the DCV. So when the left envelope mode of the DCV is actuated, fluid from the system the main line passes to the system. So first let us see here two valves, valve V1 and valve V2. When valve V1 is actuated to the top position, when valve V1 is actuated to the top position, the main pressure line from the system enters here, and when the valve is pressed, we can see the fluid will pass into this pilot system. So when fluid passes into this pilot system, it gets splitted here. When we can see here, the when valve V1 alone is pressed and valve V2 is not depressed, then the fluid from the main line passes through valve V1 and it goes to the reservoir in valve V2. So we can see here the tank or the reservoir. So because of the difference in pressure in the system, this is high pressure, and here in the tank we are having low pressure. So due to low pressure, the fluid will not go to actuate the left envelope mode, right? Rather it will pass to the tank through the valve V2. And similarly, when valve V2 alone is depressed, we can see that the fluid from the system enters here and it passes to the main line, pilot line. So from here, from the same point, we can see the system is connected to the tank and to a pilot mode. So when valve V2 is depressed and valve V1 is not depressed, we can see the fluid passes from valve V2 to the tank through valve V1 due to the difference in pressure here. So to the low pressure, the fluid will pass to. So we can see that 1, 0 will give 0, and another 0, 1 will give 0. So, and the next case, we can see when valve V1 is pressed and valve V2 is also pressed, we can see the top portions of both the system is actuated. When top portion of valve V1 is actuated, the pressure from the main line passes to this, and also it gets splitted here. And similar way, when valve V2 is pressed, the fluid will not pass return to the main line because of the non-return valve present here. So this non-return valve will remain the system to connected to getting connected itself to the tank, and the fluid from the system will pass to the main DCV. So this main DCV, the left envelope mode of the DCV is activated. So the system makes it to extend the cylinder, and the similar case